Hi guys, it's Shalom, and if this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell down below and share with your friends. So today I'm going to show you how to style these wide-legged pants, and I like them because they are black and white and they're not really polka dotted, but they'll pass for dots. So let's get into it. Thank you again for watching. So the first look is in this small cute crop top, and because it's kind of big, I had to use my puff holder to grab on it and then push it to the back so that there's a grip and it won't be like loose and saggy. So I really like this one because it's like really cute and it complements my sweet little pendant. Yay! So I hope you guys like it and leave your comments below. So let's go to look 2. Hello. So the next look is the same, but we are just going to add in a bit of, we are going to throw on something to make it look fancy. So this is my vintage coat that I got from my late aunt, who I loved so much. So how cool is this? So just adding on one simple thing can actually change your look, and you have it. Voila! Thank you, sis. So this is look number 3, and I hope you guys can see. I really love this top because it's black and it's like a monochrome look. So that's the black and white, and it also complements my cute little necklace that I stole from my godmother. And the other part is that the flare sleeves actually make it look classy, and I really like that about it. And it's a turtleneck. So I don't know if you guys love turtlenecks, but I think they are really good, especially also if you have like bad makeup days. It will hide like the weird makeup that you have, like the different skin tones. That's just a tip. So turtlenecks are good. I'm not saying that's what is happening right now, but I really love this and it looks classy. So this is look 4, and you guys can see I love this stuff because of this detail, and it's a 2-piece, but I didn't wear the skirt with it, and when I saw it I was like, oh, this can actually complement this trouser. So here it is. I hope you like it. And I like the color as well. It's really soft and it matches with my skin tone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and notification bell, and watch out for my weekly videos. Thank you. Mwah.